Welcome to Leatherings, the podcast where we explore the latest trends and fashion must-haves. I'm your host, and today we have a special episode dedicated to the stylish waxed lambskin leather Moto jacket. Get ready to be impressed as we delve into its remarkable features. The Moto jacket is a true embodiment of handsome and streamlined style. Crafted from hand-waxed premium lambskin leather, it exudes sophistication and quality craftsmanship. One of the first things that sets the Moto jacket apart is its smooth, hand-waxed finish. This finish not only enhances the overall aesthetic but also creates a soft, two-tone sheen that catches the eye and makes the Moto exceptional. It's the perfect choice for those who want to make a stylish statement this season. In terms of design, the Moto jacket strikes a perfect balance between functionality and style. It features 4-zip pockets on the exterior, providing both a fashionable touch and practicality. These pockets not only offer a place to store your essentials, but also serve as stylish accents that add to the overall appeal of the jacket. But the functionality doesn't stop there. The Moto jacket also offers 2 interior pockets, ensuring that you have ample storage space for your belongings. Whether it's your phone, wallet, or other valuables, these interior pockets are poised to keep them safe and secure. Now let's talk about the lining. The Moto jacket is designed with a quilted polyester lining, which offers added insulation from wind and chill. The quilted design adds a touch of sophistication while providing warmth and comfort. Additionally, the lower body panel of the lining is made from a wool/fiber blend, further enhancing its insulating properties. With the Moto jacket, you can stay cozy and stylish even on the chilliest of days. The Moto jacket is crafted from full-grain lambskin leather, a high-quality material that ensures durability and longevity. This choice of leather not only adds to the jacket's overall appeal but also guarantees that it will age beautifully, developing a unique patina over time. When it comes to fit, the Moto jacket is designed to flatter. Its streamlined silhouette hugs the body in all the right places, creating a sleek and confident look. The attention to detail in its construction ensures that it not only looks great but also provides a comfortable fit. Whether you're heading out for a night on the town or simply want to elevate your everyday style, the Moto waxed lambskin leather Moto jacket is a standout choice. Its handsome design, premium craftsmanship, and attention to detail make it a piece that's sure to impress. Thank you for tuning into this episode of Leatherings. Stay tuned for more exciting fashion discussions and trend analyses. Until next time.